Hello to all my gorgeous people out there, it's Amina over here. If you're new to my channel, please do take a moment to subscribe. I came up with something really different because I've not seen anyone do this. Like a lot of people have done my brother buys my makeup challenge and they have done my brother does my makeup challenge. I texted my brothers and I asked them to pick a color. Each brother I told pick one color and I'll combine it and make it an eye look. Then I asked another brother for a lipstick, then another brother for a blush, and I have got pretty interesting colors. I know I've done my base and the rest of the makeup has to go on my face. That rhymed. And without any further ado, let's get started. First color that I am going to choose out of all the color choices that I have is yes, it's beige. So I am going to apply that on my lids, shade beige. So you must be wondering why am I going directly ahead, because I've already concealed my eyes and so I'm just setting it with this beige. I'm going to use it like a base color and apply it all over my lid. So the second color that I'm going to choose is, so my brother opted for red. I'm going to go ahead with this color Essence HD Matte single eyeshadows. It's just red because there's no name written. So this is the one over here, and I like these eyeshadows from Color Essence. These single shadows are supremely pigmented. So I'm going to grab some of that and put it in my inner corner. Amount of fallout is insane. So I'm just going to put some loose powder underneath so that even if it falls, let it fall, I can just brush it away. Now guys, I'm back and I've placed already the red eyeshadow where I want it to be. Your 3/4 of your eye lid, it should be there. And then I'm going to go ahead with the same Nicka K23 eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take this shade over here and apply it to my outer corners. So after I have placed that and I'm gonna just buff in both the black and the red, like just buff that rough edges out. Once that I've placed all of this, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some glitter. I was given the color red, so I'm planning to put some glitter on that red. So I have this Midnight Sparkle Swiss Beauty palette in the shade number 2, and can you see how gorgeous that is? So I'm gonna take this color. Like, these are supremely good, for like the amount you're paying. What brilliant eyeshadows. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take a little bit and apply it over the red that is going on. I'm just gonna like apply a liquid liner. Take in Lakme Insta liner and I'm gonna apply that on. So the next thing that I got was turquoise. What I'm going to do with turquoise is I'm going to apply it to my waterline and bring it a little more further down and buff it out so that we have this lower lash line with turquoise color going on. So I have this Lakme Iconic Kajal pencil. I guess this is in the shade turquoise. So this is the one over here. Yeah, it's written turquoise. I'm going to take that and I'm going to apply it to my waterline. I'm going to drag it down to my down lash line. Oh my god, I'm living for this. I'm legit living for this. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a flat brush and I'm going to clean up these edges over here because the black has come down. Take this L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I'm in the shade Amber. I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna clean up the edges. I never expected that, you know, all these colors together would go so beautifully. Like, oh my god, that is actually a very beautiful combination of colors. See, that is what happens when you go out of your comfort zone and ask people to choose for you, because you get stuck in that rut. So what I'm gonna do for my inner corner, I am gonna take the same Big Knife Sparkle. I'm gonna take this shade and I'm gonna put it in the inner corner. That just gave like one pop, like pew, like that. It is this palette is stunning. You just need little bit, work section by section, just going to dig it like this. It's like on butter, it'll just come off and my brush just went flying. Anyway, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna highlight my brow bone. For my brow bone, I'm taking this Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter and I'm gonna apply it to my brow bones. Next, I'm gonna take mascara and I'm gonna use this Lash Sensational by Maybelline, and this is the waterproof one. You get a washable one too. Maybelline Noser mascara. So I'm gonna just curl and I'm gonna go off camera, finish this eye and also pop on some lashes. The lashes that I'm gonna use is by Delushi, and I completely love their lashes. Use this Glam lashes and I feel that it will perfectly fit. So let me go complete my other eye and be right back. The next thing I asked for is blush, and he said orange. So good choice. So I've taken this Wet n Wild Color Icon apricot in the middle. I'm going to use that today, and I'm not a very big huge fan of this. It has this sheen to it which I am not a very big fan of, but I don't like my blushes to have any sort of sheen, but it is very good for everyday purpose. Like, something is there on your face if you don't want to wear a heavy highlighter, some sheen is there. Anyway, I'm just gonna put that. It's not giving any sort of color, so I'm just going to apply that little bit on the other side to even it out, because if not it's going to look weird. Okay, so there is no sort of color on my face right now, so I'm just going to go in with what I do to achieve my coral dreams. So I'm going to take this orange shade over here and mix it with this beige color shade over there and apply it to my cheeks, and this gives a very beautiful color. So instantly you can see what a difference that made. I'm going to do it to the other cheek also. I'm going to go ahead and bronze up my face because I want some warmth. I'm going to go ahead with this mini bronzer by Sugar, and this is called Taupe Topper. This is the one over here, and it's a very it's my shade exact. I'm going to use that to like bronze. So after we have done your very well bronzed, I'm going to go ahead with highlighter. I'm going to take this Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter, and this is the one over here. I know it is smashed, I can't help it, it fell down and it broke. So the last part is lips, and for lips I had asked and I got brown, and I'm having red on my lids and black on my lids. So I'm going to take this Shambo Velvet Color Lip Liner, this lip liner pencil, and this is a good one. You guys should invest in this lip liners, it's really good. People ask me about this shade. I don't know, yeah, the shade name is literally like got rubbed out because I don't know. There is no name of this shade, it's just brown. chocolate brown color. I'm gonna go ahead with lipstick. First lipstick, I'm gonna take the Stay Quirky Liquid Lipsticks Mini, and this is in the shade Slutty Chocolate Kiss. Cute, and it's so nice, and it's travel friendly, and it's a beautiful brown color. This color is so beautiful, the lipstick. It has this very mild milk chocolate color and I really like it. So this is my final look, guys. This, okay. So this is my final look, guys, and I am super happy with what has come out and turned out. I thought that the lipstick and the eye look won't go together, but hey, it's gorgeous, okay. And I actually had a very big hesitant thing when he said brown, and I'm like, is it gonna be red and the lips will be brown? But I forgot that brown is a very universal color and it looks good on anything and everything. And this is such a stunning look, and I never expected that, you know, so many different colors come together will look this. Like, whoever thought that turquoise, black and red will make such a good stunning color? Like, excuse me, I'm super happy. You guys can go ahead and ask your brothers to choose for you your makeup look, and I'm telling you, the results according to me are a blessing. Like, look at that. I just never ever in my life thought I could create a look with these colors. So I hope you guys like this look. If you did, please do like, comment and share, and if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. I'll see you all in my next video. I love you all. Bye.